Hey beauties, and welcome back to I'm Beautiful Hustler TV. Today we are back with a new collaboration, and today's hair is provided by Luvme Hair. Now this is going to be one of the quickest installs I've ever done because this wig is ready to wear. Everything is customized. I ain't have to do nothing hard, no extra, just a simple silky straight side part, okay? And all of the goodies that came in the box, you see that I'm showing you right here, but the main attraction is this wig, okay? Now this is a ready to wear, completely glueless, bleach, pluck, baby hair ready, everything customized to perfection for a side part, and it lays completely comfortable around the ear, so you don't have to worry about no migraine or no tension behind the ear because the C cutout on the side helps it lay so perfect, okay? And all I'm gonna do is just put this wig on my head and use a little bit got to be spray. I'm not even gonna use my melt band or anything, and when I tell you the wig is melted, it is completely melted. So this has to be the best and easiest wig install I have ever done, y'all. Like, no cap, okay? And this is a 26-inch. It is their silky straight wig. And when I say a baby good it is, a baby good it is. Like, if you are somebody who was a beginner to installing lace, you don't know how to bleach, you don't know how to pluck, then you need this unit, okay? You absolutely have to get this unit. So make sure you guys check out my description details down below and my coupon codes down below so you could get you this wig and save you some coins, because y'all know the government ain't paying nobody. Okay. So now that I have this wig on, I'm just gonna go in with that wax stick, my hot comb, and just kind of lay my top down real nice and flat. And once I have that in place, I am going to pull back the unit and just go in with that one layer of that got to be spray, tap it across the hairline, blow dry it, and sister girl is gonna be ready to get to flat ironing it. And then last but not least, all we will have to do is swoop the baby hair. So as I mentioned, I'm just gonna push this hair back real quick, go in with that got to be, tap it, blow dry it, no melt belt, no nothing, and it's still gonna give complete scalp. And I did go underneath the wig and of course add my foundation color, so that also helped with the melting process as well. And honestly, y'all, if you don't want to put lace on the inside of the wig, you can just install it and just tap a little foundation across the front of it, and it will still give you the same great results, okay? So once I go ahead and blow dry that on down, I'm not even gonna use a melt band, like I mentioned, not gonna use a melt band. I'm just gonna let it dry and then get to pressing the wig out. Alex, abs.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
And to make sure that my wig is laying nicely, I just added a little got to be spray at the top to really flatten it out and give it a nice and crispy, clean side part look. And even down to the parting, y'all, they gave me like the best seat. Like, I love curved parts, and they ate down when it came to the curved part, okay? They did exactly what needed to be done. And at this day and age, y'all, convenience is everything. Like, we love convenience. So yeah, this wig is definitely 10 out of 10. And as I mentioned, the baby hair part was already cut, so all I did was go in and curl it, and I just chopped it down a little bit shorter. If you're a big baby hair girl, okay, you know, do you, but me, y'all, I already got a small forehead, eyebrows, be about to touch, all that. So I just went and cut it down some more, but I just went back in when it got to be sprayed and swooped it up until I got my desired look. And that was super easy, y'all. When I promise you, easy install, quick install, very convenient. That was so easy, y'all. Like, I kid you not, okay? This was one of the quickest wig installs I did. As you can see, the video is only 8 minutes. So what did I tell you? Quick, easy, simple, and beginner friendly. So I'm just gonna do my little finishing touches to really give my side part the look that I like. And once I finish, you know, touching up those little pieces, I will go ahead and show you guys the finished look. Once again, this is a wig from Luvme Hair, completely glueless, ready to wear, ready to install, no glue needed. No nothing, okay? So here is the final look. It is giving super simple, super pretty, because sometimes simple is everything, okay? And I'm going to give you guys a 360 of the wig, nice and long. It is a 26-inch. So once again, thank you guys for watching. This wig is from Luvme Hair, and use those coupon codes down below to save you some coins. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all on the next video. Bye.